Shifting focus a week after BJP's big win in Delhi, there's still no answers on who will be the next chief minister. The BJP has said that this crucial name will be announced on Sunday. Now, a key party meeting is also expected to be held either today or tomorrow. A crucial meeting involving the Prime Minister, Home Minister, BJP President JP Nadda and other senior is scheduled to be making their final decision. The party is assessing potential venues for the ceremony as well. But the new dispensation is expected to give priority to clean drinking water as well as infrastructure. Remember, the BJP has returned to power after about 27 years. Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins me as far as this is concerned. Kritika, very good morning to you. Clearly, the suspense continues. Reports suggesting who will ultimately make it to that chair. But what really is taking that long for the BJP to really make that decision? Concerning the fact that sources were indicating yesterday they've decided on the swearing-in ceremony, but there's still suspense about who's actually going to be sworn in.
Well, yes, what we've heard is that the swearing-in can be expected to be held on either the 19th or the 20th of February. And the venues, the possible venues for the same have also are being discussed. It could be the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium or, in fact, the Ramleela Maidan as well. Now, the suspense over the name definitely still continues. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi only returned last night from his tour to France and USA. And it is now expected that with his stamp as well, the final names will be declared shortly. Yesterday, we had also heard that another high-level meeting to decide on the cabinet ministers, the position of the Speaker of the Assembly, as well as the Chief Minister and possible Deputy Chief Minister candidates will also be discussed in legislative meetings that are scheduled to happen either on the 16th or the 17th of February. So definitely the BJP Delhi as well as National BJP cadre is moving. The churning is on as far as the discussion over the names is concerned. Yesterday, we had heard that about 15 MLAs from the 48 that won their respective constituencies in this election were shortlisted, and from amongst them, 9 will be selected for the different posts of the cabinet as well as for the Speaker, Deputy Chief Minister and the Chief Minister. So just a few more days till the suspense of the Chief Minister phase gets over, while Aam Aadmi Party continues to attack BJP over the delay. Over to you.
Right, Kritika. Thank you for joining us with all those details. But for now, we leave it at that. Let's shift our focus to big